All about time.
Units of time.
Types of clocks.
Let's start learning.
Every day we can look at our cell phones or look on the wall and see a clock for the time. So what are we talking about when we look at time? Time is a way to name the parts of a day, week, month, and year. Time helps us to talk to others about when we want to do something or when something is done. Let's take a look at some of the basics of telling time. First, we'll check out AM and PM. AM means ante-meridium in Latin, which to us means before noon. And PM means post-meridium in Latin, which means afternoon. AM is from midnight to noon. PM is from noon to midnight. We usually think of AM as early morning and morning, and PM as afternoon, evening, and night. For example, at 6 a.m. we might be getting up for a day of school. At 6 p.m., many of us could be having dinner. Some basic units of time are days, hours, minutes, and seconds. A day is made up of 24 hours. An hour is made up of 60 minutes. And a minute is made up of 60 seconds. The machine we use to measure time is called a clock. When we look at a clock, we're usually seeing a measurement of hours, minutes, and sometimes even seconds. Basically, there are two types of clocks that we see: digital clocks and analog clocks. Digital clocks are easy. Usually, the numbers that we see on a digital clock name the time as we would say it. For example, if the time is 6:30, that is what we see on a digital clock. The first number is the hour, and the second number is the number of minutes after the hour. 6:30. Sometimes a digital clock will let you know if it's AM or PM too. An analog clock is a little harder to figure out. An analog clock is the round kind of clock you might see hanging on a wall. The round part of an analog clock is called the face. The face of an analog clock has numbers on it. Those are used to measure hours, minutes, and seconds. And there are two arrows on the clock face. The short arrow is called the hour hand. The longer arrow is called the minute hand. We're going to talk more about digital clocks and a lot more about analog clocks in another video. Nice job listening.
Let's review.
Let's review what we went over today. Time helps us talk to others about when we want to do something or when something is done. There are days, hours, minutes, and seconds. A day is 24 hours. A day is divided into two parts, AM and PM. An hour is 60 minutes. A minute is 60 seconds. And there are two types of clocks, digital and analog. Super work. Nice work, everyone. Parents, teachers, and homework helpers, please be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. A like will really help the channel, so please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care, and remember, it never hurts to be nice.